Multiply 1000 by 130 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 3 times 1 is 3. The second partial product is 30,000. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 1 times 1 is 1. The third partial product is 100,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, hundreds and thousands columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the 10 negative thousands column, 3 plus 0 is 3. In the 100 negative thousands column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 130,000. So 1000 times 130 is 130,000.